Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick video on how I package my tumblers. So I usually ship with USPS and I use a regional rate A box. So first you want to start out with a washed tumbler, and you want to make sure that your rim is all clean. Then we're just going to wrap our tumblers. I get this wrapping paper from the Dollar Tree, so it's pretty inexpensive. It is very fragile, so you have to be careful. But I just roll it and I start tucking it, and I leave the left side open so that I can tuck the rest of the tissue paper onto the tumbler, and then I just place my lid on top. So next I just take a sheet of bubble wrap, and I kind of adjust it because the curvy tumblers aren't straight, so I adjust it as I roll it. And mine comes pre-cut, so I use 2 sheets, and then I just place my little thank you sticker on there. Next I wrap it in some more tissue paper. This is also from Dollar Tree, and I'm obsessed with this pattern or design. It's perfect for spring. I basically just do the same thing. I just wrap it like I did the first time, but this time I do tuck in both sides, and I just make it pretty. I'm really OCD about this, so like I try to make it look as best as possible. Then I just finish it off with another thank you sticker. And if you also ship pens, this is how I ship mine. I don't do those little card inserts or anything. I just roll it up in the same tissue paper, and then I place a little thank you sticker on there. Then I place the order receipt, or in this case it's a gift receipt, in these little 4x6 plastic baggies, and I place my thank you cards. I just make these right in Canva. I also place my Tumbler care cards and my pen care cards if that order includes a pen. And I almost forgot, I make these thank you cards in Canva, so I put like a little discount on them, and I kind of make it like a reveal your surprise kind of thing on there. So I just place a sticker over it. Then I take this ribbon that I also got from the dollar store. It's about 18 inches long, and I wrap my little thank you cards, my pen, and my straw in it. And I make kind of like a small bow. I don't like to make them too big, so it doesn't take away from everything else. So I just tie everything together and I make a small bow. Now you're gonna see me struggle a little bit trying to fan out my bow. So then I just cut off the excess and I fluff out the bow and make it look so cute. Next I'm gonna take some of the bubble wrap. I take about a sheet, and I'm gonna put it on the bottom of the box, and then I take some of the pink tissue paper. I just fold it in half and place it on the bottom of the box too, and have some of it come off to the sides. Then I'm going to take some crinkle paper and place a little bit in there. I'll put my tumbler right on top, and I'm going to take some bubble, it's the bubble wrap that I'll get in like packages, so I just save it. So I'm going to put it on both sides. I'm going to give it a good shake and make sure that my tumbler doesn't move. Then I'm just going to place some more crinkle paper right on top, and I'm going to fold the tissue paper just to kind of make it look cute. I used to put longer pieces on there, but I feel like I don't know, I just didn't like it. So now I just fold it, and I want, some of that to show whenever they open the package. So I make sure everything's in there, and then I just tape up my box. I got this really cute holographic duct tape from the dollar store too, and once I place my clear tape, I'll place this cute tape right on top of there. I printed these stickers on my thermal printer where I print all my labels, and I think they're so cute. They just say thank you and then have my social media on there. So now I'm going to show you guys what my little shipping station looks like. So I just have this little bin with my thank you cards, and then I also have my straws up there. I also have all my Tumbler care cards and my pen care cards, and I also keep my bubble wrap up there too. So then I have this like makeshift sticker holder. It's just PVC pipe that we purchased at Lowe's. So I have my ribbon up there, and then I have all my stickers, and right below it I have my tapes, like the ones I'm currently using. I have some scissors, some extra stickers, and those 4x6 clear bags that I was showing you guys. And sometimes I pre-package them so it's a little easier. So I always try to keep my tabletop clean. I don't like when like stray glitter gets in my packages. I know it's bound to happen, but I just don't like it. So I have my cute little wrapping paper there, and then just some regular tissue paper. And then I also have my shipping boxes. I keep these at the bottom. And then right next to it, I have this 3-tier cart with like my lids for my tumblers, and then I have some extra tumblers that I'm working on. And then I keep my crinkle paper and like extra shipping supplies right on the bottom. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully got some ideas on how to set up your tumbler station. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.